on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making shrimp fettuccine alfredo. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of white wine, 1 pound of medium pre-cooked shrimp, 1 box of fettuccine, 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1 shallot diced, 1/2 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt. We're also going to need 2 teaspoons of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil divided, and also 2 tablespoons of butter. To a pot of boiling water, you want to add in 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now you want to add in your fettuccine, and we're going to let that cook for 12 minutes. Guys, we're also going to need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now to a bowl, you want to add in your paprika, your garlic powder, your 2 teaspoons of salt, and also your black pepper. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Then you can set it to the side. After 12 minutes, you want to go ahead and drain your fettuccine and set it to the side. Now in a large saucepan over medium heat, you want to add in your tablespoon of olive oil, and you want to let that come to temperature. Now you can begin to add in your shrimp. Now you can take your seasoning and just sprinkle it over top of your shrimp. And we're going to allow our shrimp to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and remove your shrimp and set it to the side. Now to your pan, you can add your 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to let that melt. If your butter has melted, you want to add in your shallots. And we're going to saute them for 1 minute. Now you can add in your minced garlic, and we're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now you can add in your white wine. We're going to bring that to a light boil. Now you can add in your parmesan cheese, and we're just going to mix it until it melts. You can also add in your heavy cream. So we're going to continue to mix until all the cheese has melted. Now we're going to add our shrimp to our sauce. And go ahead and give that a mix. You can lower your heat to low. And now we're going to begin to add in our fettuccine. And you just want to go ahead and mix it until all your noodles are well coated. You can turn off your heat. Okay guys, look how nice and creamy this is. Okay guys, now all you want to do is add a little bit of your dried parsley flakes over top. Give it a little bit of color. So here we have it, our shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?